Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Amia. In this episode, we're going to look at AWS Systems Manager. AWS Systems Manager allows you to centralize operational data and automate tasks across multiple resources at scale. These resources can be EC2 instances, S3 buckets, RDS instances. Imagine you are managing a large number of EC2 instances for different applications and services. You need to install updates and patches of operating systems on these instances from time to time. When you update configuration settings, you have to perform repetitive IT tasks for each instance. Traditionally, you can only access individual EC2 instances and run the administration tasks one by one remotely. This is a very error-prone and time-wasting process. Systems Manager allows you to organize these EC2 instances into logical groups. You can apply group actions such as automation, run command. This is a highly consistent and efficient way to manage your instances. Systems Manager provides many tools to let you group resources, apply group actions to the resources. Resource groups allow you to create a logical group of resources associated with a particular workload. AppConfig helps you deploy application configuration to EC2 instances, containers, Lambda functions in a managed and monitored way. AppConfig enables you to update configurations to multiple resources at scale. Automation allows you to safely automate common and repetitive IT operations and management tasks, using predefined playbooks, run automation on multiple EC2 instances at scale. Run command provides you safe, secure remote management of your instances at scale without logging into servers. It replaces the need for bastion hosts, SSH, or remote PowerShell. Session Manager provides a browser-based interactive shell and CLI to manage Windows and Linux EC2 instances, without the need to open inbound ports, manage SSH keys, or use bastion hosts. Patch Manager helps you select and deploy operating system and software patches automatically across large groups of Amazon EC2 or on-premises instances. State Manager provides configuration management, which helps you maintain consistent configuration of your Amazon EC2 or on-premises instances. You can control configuration details such as server configurations, antivirus definitions, firewall settings. Parameter Store provides a centralized store to manage your configuration data, whether plain text data such as database strings or encrypted secrets such as passwords. Systems Manager is a collection of services to manage configurations for EC2 instances, S3 buckets, RDS instances at scale. In this episode, we've learned AWS Systems Manager. Systems Manager allows you to create resource groups, centralize configuration, and automate tasks across AWS resources. Okay, that's all for Systems Manager. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. If you liked the video, please help us and hit the like button. If you want to watch more tutorials, please subscribe to the Cloudemy TV channel. Make sure to turn on the notification and stay tuned. At Cloudemy, we're passionate about cloud and AI technology. Please share your feedback and thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to let us know what topics you'd like to watch. Happy watching and happy learning.